Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Roblox dominus yet again. And as you can see, it's going to look something like this, dominus areas. But as you can see at the top, there's a little bumpy bit there. So people may think it's fake. But I'm going to fix that right now. So guys, the video hasn't got 2 likes yet, so yeah, blah 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 blah. So yeah guys. So today, so first thing you want to look up is Ninja in catalog. And you need to go on best selling, and it should be the first one. So Ninja Mask of Shadows. This is the one you want to buy. It's 12 Robux. I already own it, so I don't have to worry of spending the 12 Robux. So, yeah. Next one you want to buy is called Snake Eyes. It's 100 Robux. And, yeah, so this is 100 Robux. So, yeah, so this is, like, this is the, one of the other ones you have to buy. Okay, so it's like, you legit just need to type up braided. So, type up braided in the catalog. And it should show up. So right there, that's the braided destiny of, I don't know how to pronounce that. So yeah guys. So today, okay, so now the last item you need to get is legit go like blind rug. You need to type it like this or it won't work, it won't show up. So then it's just 30 Robux. So you have to buy this. And then that's all the items you really need to buy. So then you go to your edit avatar. Obviously, let's unequip this one. Okay, so now I'm just this character right here. So now let's put on braided. And look, as you can see, it looks like that. Actually, what does the blind rug look like? Ninja Mask of Shadows. What does it look like with the Ninja Mask of Shadows on? Ooh, that's pretty cool. What about Snake Eyes? Load up! Load! 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 Okay, there we go. So, yeah, so you want to put on this 3, 2, 1. Bam, guys. Look at that. So let's actually join a game right now. Let's go for an example. My game. Okay, loading. Load up. Load up. Let's just do, for example, my game. Loading. Roblox. Loading up. Roblox. Okay, waiting for an available server. Waiting for an available server. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, I remember there was a glitch in this one. Hold on, guys. Oh, here we go, guys. See, look at this, guys. It legit looks like a dominus. The dominus area. So, yeah, guys. That's it for today. So, yeah, this is a leaderboard, by the way. Leaderboard says when first place says nil diddle, that's me. And then second place, then third 999 laps. So, yeah, guys. So make sure to join this game. I'm gonna leave it down in the description below. Okay, my shield just went on for whatever reason. So yeah, goodbye guys. Hope this helped you out. Make sure to follow me on Roblox. It says Noodle Doodle. And yeah, goodbye guys.